Good morning everyone, I hope you're all okay and doing okay. We haven't seen you for quite a long time again and we haven't done any cooking. So today I thought I would do a video for you which hopefully I think you'll enjoy. I know how you all love your pizzas when we make pizzas at school, our pita bread pizzas. So first thing we need to do is we need some pizza dough. This is just ready rolled pizza dough pastry. Some of you have used ready-made pastry with me at school. You can make your own. I've just got a ready rolled one because it was easier for us to look at today. And then what you need is you need some tomato sauce, any pizza topping, tomato puree, anything you want to put on your pizza for your sauce. I've got some mozzarella. I have got some parmesan, and I've got a little bit of oil that we need to grease our tin with. But you can use cheddar cheese, you can use anything you want. Now these are called pizza parcel bombs. Okay, so they're a little bit different, but they're the same flavour as pizza, so I think you'll all really enjoy them. So for equipment, I've got a muffin tin here, okay. If you haven't got one of these, that's absolutely fine. You can just use a flat baking tray, and I'll show you how later on. Okay, so we've got a muffin tin. Here, I've got a sharp knife. Okay, can you see how I'm holding it down? And I've got a pizza cutter. If you haven't got one of these, that's absolutely fine. We can just use the sharp knife. And I've got a pastry brush. Okay, that's all we need for equipment. So it's very simple. So the first thing I'm going to do is, if you've got a muffin tray, okay, you just need to brush the holes with a little bit of oil. Okay, any oil you've got, olive oil, vegetable oil, sunflower oil. Then we're going to cut our pastry ready. Okay, so our pastry, or our pizza dough should I call it, okay, I'm going to cut this into six squares. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut down this third. I'm going to cut it into thirds. Okay, remember your maths, into thirds, 3 sections, and then I'm going to cut it down the middle in half again. Okay, so altogether I've got 6 pieces. I said squares, they're not squares, are they? They're rectangles. Now for the first part, we are going to put our tomato puree or our pizza topping, whatever you want to use, onto your pizza dough. Again, this is the same thing that you do when we're making our pita bread pizza. You just put your topping on first. So I'm going to put that onto each square of my pizza dough. Okay, so just 1 teaspoon on each is perfect. That's it. So you can see how much I've put on, and then whatever cheese you want to go on top. Now I love mozzarella. I love it because it goes all gooey and stretchy. Okay, so I'm going to put a little bit of mozzarella on mine. Okay, I'm going to put a teaspoon on each, as you can see. So that's my cheese. Now again, if you want to put more cheese in, you put more cheese. If you don't like cheese, you can just put the tomato in. It's absolutely fine. I'm also going to put a tiny little bit of parmesan in mine. So we've got our pastry, our pizza dough ready. Right, okay, so you get your 2 corners, 2 triangles, okay? And you pull them together like that, okay? Then you get the other corner, put it to the middle, and you get the other corner, put that to the middle, okay? And then you just start folding it. If I can get it off the paper. That's it, you just start folding it together, okay? And you can see it's now becoming like a little round shape. And then we twist the top. Okay, so you twist the top, and there is your pizza bomb. So all we're going to do now is we pop that into our muffin tray like that. Okay, so it keeps it into a nice round shape. Again, if you haven't got a muffin tray, just put it on a flat baking tray. It's absolutely fine, but just make sure you put it in sealed side down. So you've got the nice smooth round part of the ball on top. Okay, so that goes in your baking tray, and then you're going to bake them in the oven at 180 degrees or gas mark 5, 6 for about 20 minutes. So have fun, hope you enjoy them, and I hope to see you all soon.